This week we get the rudder ready to apply fairing and barrier coat before putting on the copper coat bottom coat. Hi, I'm Tony.
And I'm Kathy.
And welcome to our adventures on Dreamweaver. Before working with any gel coat or any other fiberglass type resins, make sure you wear protective clothing such as an overall covering of Tyvek, and make sure you wear gloves and glasses so you don't get any of this in your eyes. The first thing I wanted to do was sand down any resin that I filled the little divots in where Sea Life had attached to the rudder and actually made places in a gel coat. So I filled that in with fiberglass resin, and I want to make sure and sand that down and get it as flat and smooth as I possibly could before I put fairing on. Mix up the fiberglass resin. I use 105 resin and 205 hardener. It's the West Marine system. Then we're going to add fairing compound to that. I use the 407 low density fairing compound to add into it. You'll add a little bit of the fairing compound at a time. Just add a little bit and mix it up. You want to keep doing that until you can get it to the consistency of peanut butter or mayonnaise. That way it'll stay on and won't droop or run as you add it on to the rudder itself. This is the correct consistency. Now it's ready to apply. You'll want to make even and smooth coats as you go, and make sure to get it as smooth as you possibly can so you won't have to sand so much. Fill in all the little divots or any places that need to be fixed and faired. The fairing makes it just smooth so that it looks even across all of your repairs. Alright, today we're going to put the barrier coat on the rudder. First thing we'll do is wipe it down really good. Then we'll mix up the barrier coat. Put it on before we do the copper coat. Okay, so this is a two-part, and this is the base coat, or the barrier coat. So you mix this about 4 minutes to make sure all of the ceramics in it is really good. And then we're going to mix it 2 to 1. So it's 2 parts of the base, part A, and then 1 part of part B, which is the activator. And we're going to mix it up really good for about 2 to 3 minutes. So on my mixing cup, I'm gonna pick the 2 to 1, so it'll be up to the 2 here with the base, and up to the 1 with the activator. We go up to the 2 on this one.
Thank you very much for doing that.
We're gonna mix that up for about 3 minutes.
All right. Yeah, good day.
We need to do this twice. You need to put 2 coats on it every 4 hours. 4 hours in between. Alright, let's get our roller ready. I got a little 4-inch roller.
The ground beneath my feet keeps rolling under me, and I try to catch my breath, but the dust is hard to breathe. How many hours since I last saw your face? It's been a long night just waiting for the light, but it feels like days. It's all behind. All I know, looking back, seeing smoke. Take me home. I don't know what's ahead, but I'll go. Stars in her eyes, she had flowers in her hair. It was rain and thunder, but God, if she was even there. It's all behind. All I know, looking back.
Alright, so mixing up the second batch of the barrier coat. I waited about 4 hours, actually a little bit longer, give it a little bit extra time to dry. And now I'm gonna put the second coat on. Mix it up really good.
It's all Take me home. No, I don't know what's up ahead, but yes I go, I will go, I will go, I will go.
There you go. Second coat of brake coat.
Next episode on Dreamweaver SV. Time to wire the wind turbine. All right, got the wires tied in. Positive and the negative. Got both of those tied to the battery. Also has a circuit breaker in it.